Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I'm here at Walmart to do some shopping. As you know, the place closed down. I run out of food, so I have to go Walmart, and the line to go into the Walmart stretch all the way from the back, which is around that side, coming all the way around here. So this is actually a line that I'm in. So you can see up top, that's an entire line. First time I'm seeing something like this in a Walmart. Walmart, I normally, you know, have the procedure. I came here the other day and I come in and I get through real quick, but this is crazy. But the line is flowing still. So I don't know the capacity, how much people have coming in to the Walmart, but the line seems to be flowing, so basically that's good. But they have these markers and stuff on the ground, that is 6 feet apart markers. So yeah, but the 6 feet, I don't see the marker then they can step, so 6 feet apart pretty much. Yeah, so I have on my gloves and my mask, raincoat, because it's a rain outside. So as you can see, so I'm here to do some shopping. I'll just take you guys along with me, do some shopping and thing, so you guys can see, you know, what's really going on and thing like that. So this is just a different type of vlog and thing like that. So hope you guys can enjoy it. But you know, a lot more people streaming in and stuff. So hopefully rain don't come and thing like that. So when I close to reaching in, then I'll buzz you guys again. Show the procedure for those going inside the store and stuff like that. So come. Yeah, so that's the line. This and go around, this and go around. And then here them people dead. Then now them a try to take it serious, and the man a try. I'll tell you, Steve, now I diss up the man too, you know. I talk about oh if yeah. I talk about if something there. Or if you tell the people them say them can't go outside, poor people this and poor people have to go to hustle and this and that. Johnny the money ma carry food, go get the people. MP them a carry food, go get the people. You see me I say?
Oh yeah, I got dead. Oh, it got help you when you're dead when you're house. What the sense? Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, dead left. Yeah, we are also for yeah. And dead left it. It don't make no sense. Exactly. And then they might talk about the thing there. Oh, the Prime Minister now bringing the Jamaican from the ship and all of that. So the money is alright. Then here we are going to do. We are going to control re-entry. So me I say, we are to control re-entry. So we can come to boom now. And who want to come in, who's stranded overseas and want to come in and can, you know, pay for them flight and pay for accommodation for, you know, have somewhere to stay, he might take them in. You understand? But him can't just.
Alright guys, I'm in the line now, almost ready to go into the store. Yes, I'm the next person in line, which is good. Everybody there, bearing on me. So yeah, well on the joint. So this is literally the paper, toilet paper and cleaning. It's all finished. There's nothing left on the shelves. Literally empty shelves. Yeah, man, I'll make a video for YouTube. This is crazy. Oh. That's what I'm going over here. So every day is strong. This is some toilet paper them here, or a thing there. This look like thing there. This look like antowil. Yeah. Yeah, but them here antowil. Yeah, it's like them one. Yeah. so I'll grab a few stuff so far. Some regular stuff, some Ox, deodorant, Ox, vitamin, toothpaste. I'll grab a scale, come fat and heavy. Cod liver oil, so this is good. Cod liver oil, so I have these, and then I have found 2 shirts, some nice shirt at Walmart, very affordable, polo and stuff like that. So yeah, size medium. So yeah, I go for the grocery now, get some food stuff, and buy all of those food stuff and thing. Yeah, just can't believe no tissue in there, because we have 1 roll of tissue left, because I never rush and buy any tissue, and this mask keep riding up on my face, so I don't even like that. So I'm gonna buy the food stuff now. I need a blender as well, but don't know, not sure about the blender part. Oh, yeah, so I'm about to buy all of the food that I need on my list. So I got the egg and drink section, because I always go that side first, so you guys can see what's going on now. So I'll buy, so I have all of the juices. So I'm just going to show you guys the prices for the juice and stuff. So I have all type of stuff. You have Snapple, you have cranberry. I have like 2 cranberry. Sorry, I have like 2 cranberry at the house already. Sorry, I have 2 cranberry juice at the house already. I'll grab all my apple juice. So the light apple. So need 1 of them apple juice there. $1.44 for apple juice. Woo! I'm very short. I don't know how I'm going to reach. Don't know how I'm going to reach this, so to get the apple juice. But I definitely need to get the apple juice. Oh! Oh, there we go. Something's under here. Look at that. I'm gonna try to reach up at the top. So this is the Great Valley brand by Walmart. That's Walmart brand. Cheaper, more affordable. The Mott's brand is really good. Mott's brand tastes good. However, it just costs a little bit more. Same apple juice, same sugar content. So depending on your preference. So for me, I like that. I need orange juice. I doubt I'll buy any more cranberry juice. I might buy 1 bottle of cranberry juice just to add to the cranberry juice I have. I buy a lot of juices, but I like the 100%, the ones with 100% juice in them, not just 20% or whatever. So if you look to the side of the cranberry, you see right here, you see 15% juice. So I want the one that says 100% juice. That's the one I like. So here you go. This one, 100% juice, ocean spray, cranberry, 100% juice. So I'm gonna get this one. And we're on our way. I like to get eggs and stuff like that whenever I come Walmart early, because a lot of people come in and they buy. So I just like to grab eggs. Sorry. I like to grab eggs, milk, almond milk. I only have 1 box of milk left, so I'm gonna grab 2 milk. What else I need to grab? I have butter already. Orange juice. I can get orange juice. Next time orange juice. Next time orange juice finish. So yeah. Tropicana. Oh shucks. Phone noise. She's on the level surface, that's why. On the top right. Oh, I see the Great Valley up there. Yeah. See the Great Valley. OJ. Up at this side. So one thing we have to learn about orange juice, peeps. So this is what I buy. Most of the orange juice, or majority of the orange juice that we buy comes, so you say 100% juice comes from the same place. So basically all the orange juices come from Brazil. So as you can see right there, that's where the oranges come from. Come from Brazil or Florida. Contains orange juice from United States and Brazil. So Florida and Brazil. So you buy the Great Valley brand, same orange juice, you get it more cheaper. See, the quart get for $3. So moving right along, buy one orange juice. So 3 juices so far. Moving right along. Sorry. And get milk. Get the silk. Yeah. Sorry. So this is the type of milk that I buy. By June 16. Alright. This one. You get that one. Oh, don't fall now. Get the silk, soy milk. And then I get the vanilla. So let's get 2 of them. So those 2. The cow milk is a no-no for me. I don't buy cow milk, but just a price comparison. That's the price for the cow milk. $2 something, $2 per gallon. $2 for the whole milk and stuff. For most people that buy those type of milk. So now get the egg, and I need to be ticking off on my list so I can know what I have so far. Yeah. So let's keep it moving. I have a few stuff. I'm going to grab some cornflakes. So egg, yes. Sorry. So the eggs are still there, and this is what I normally do with the eggs. So these eggs, whoop, 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 whoop. So these eggs are very nice. 18 come in them, 18 are the large eggs. So what I do this, and I grab 36. So when you grab 36 egg, I'm not being greedy, it's just me alone, but it lasts longer when you grab 36 eggs. So you have to ensure that you know what you're buying and how you eat and stuff like that, because I make a lot of egg. I make egg omelette and those stuff. So I have, as I see my list, I have my list on my phone. So 2 milk, 2 OJ apple juice, cranberry juice. So the juices are finished. So I need to get all these stuff now that I don't have already. So it's a whole lot of stuff that I need to do. So the 9 minutes. So come back. Been vlogging long. So come back. Alright guys, so I picked up a few things. So I'm down by the pancake side. So I'm looking at some pancake right here. Some strawberry, extra fluffy original. No, they're not expensive. That's $1.68 for that. I kind of like the just add water for pancakes. I like the Great Valley brand. There's nothing else left. Aunt Jemima, that done. Like there's nothing left on the shelf. Like and I have original maple syrup. So I'm gonna take this, and I'm going to take this. So this is what? Strawberry, and I'm gonna take 2 of those. I might not even make them all of them, but I'm gonna put them in plastic container. Still have pancake, I still have maple syrup. This is the difference with, let me show you guys something. This is the difference with these kind of syrup, which is not the real syrup, artificially flavored pancake syrup, and this is 100% pure maple syrup. So you guys see the difference here? The price difference, $1 compared to $7. So these are the real maple syrup, or come from the tree itself. So it just say maple syrup. That's all the ingredients in there. There's nothing else in there but maple syrup from the tree. No preservative or anything. So you have different flavors and stuff like that, maple syrup. So they're very expensive, but if you know what you're buying, then you can get good maple syrup. And I think Great Valley has this pure maple as well, but you just have to look on the ingredients when you're buying. So this is the Walmart brand maple syrup, and it's $6.78. So this is a good bottle to buy. It's a very thick bottle. Yeah, but I have maple syrup already, so I don't really need another bottle of maple syrup. Or do I? No, I don't. I don't need another bottle of maple syrup. Oh yeah. So moving right along, I need sugar. So these sugars, brown sugar I use. So I have 1 brown sugar at home already. $1.20 something. So I'll get that. I'll get the brown sugar. I have 1 bag already. So I don't need too much. I don't need too much sugar. I have black pepper and stuff already. So okay. Condensed milk. Just grab a condensed milk. Sorry. Grab a single condensed milk. No need evaporated milk. You get egg and stuff already. Look on the cornflakes, I know. And then sardine. Sardine over this bumblebee in hot sauce in water. I don't like the sardine in water, but I have some sardine at the house still. But may I check out the rest of the sardine them to see. And then I figure out say I like Post cornflakes. This brand Post, but not these types though. It's selling right here. I don't know if it's selling here in Walmart, but I'll have to see what I can get. See what I can get if they have it in those brands. I was looking. Okay, here we go. They do have it, peeps. They do have it, and they have the valley size too. So there you go. I found it. Found my favorite. So I'm gonna buy this one. This is a big one. $4 for it. It's expensive, but yeah, might as well. I like it, so I'll get it. And then that's crunchy pecan. No, I'm gonna take this one too. Raisins. So normally, and I go through cornflakes so far. So normally I'll just buy the big. I'll buy these big ones. Normally I buy these big ones, but they don't have it in the Post brand, and that brand is really, really good. I really enjoy that brand of cornflakes since lately. Sorry, go ahead. that brand of cornflakes lately. It tastes much better. So I kind of just sticking to it. So I just sticking to it. I'm done and just sticking that. So the Post brand make those malt. So this is the malt-o-meal brand. So it depends on the branding really. Normally take the fruits and nuts and stuff like that. So I'm sorry, I'm putting a block one. Yeah. Oh, need. You know, so I buy when I quick oats. People tell me that this tastes really good. I buy the quick oats and I haven't eaten it yet. So you know what? I'm going to eat it first instead of buying the next box. Or probably just buy the next box. Well, I have a Great Value box. So I'm going to finish that Great Value box first. When I finish that Great Value box, then I can always come back and buy whenever I come back. Sorry. Do not enter. Okay. Less confusion. Alright, so I need to get mixed fruits. Ooh. Look at that shelf. The noodle shelf empty. So no ramen noodle, no liquor noodle, nothing. Only these type of noodle. I could buy one of these and put some egg in it, but I wanted like the ramen noodle to make with egg and stuff. But anyway, moving right along. Place are empty out. Hopefully I can find rice. But if not, yeah. Green peas 50 cents, mixed vegetable 58 cents. So I like to have mixed vegetable in my food. So I'm gonna grab two mixed veg. I think I have our green peas already. Take up our green peas. And these are very affordable. Can't beat 60 cents, peeps. Get some natural carrot and stuff, and corn. I like sweet corn as well. Oh, sorry. So I buy 2 whole kernel corn, sweet corn, golden sweet. I think I needed macaroni. Yeah. So, beans. This Bushwick beans are really the best to me compared to the Jamaican baked bean, but I don't really want to buy the big tin. You buy the big tin for $2 now. It wastes. So I prefer to buy the smaller tin. So I just buy two of these and done, which I go run you $3 instead of the big tin for $2. Because I don't like cut it and then I know if to store it, so that's the issue. So I spend $2 instead of $3. 2 of these. You can get the same £1 one. What is £1? 28 pounds, 60 ounce. So let's get 2 of these and I can't the price some more, but anyway. Because when I cook, I just cook it one thing. Alright, the bacon section over there. Oh, corned beef looking nice over there. So excellent corned beef. So I'm gonna grab corned beef as well. I need to grab 2 tin of tuna. So tuna in water. These taste good, but I think I want them in oil, or there's too much grease. I'll take the water, so there's less grease. Chunk like tuna. 2 of those. Alright, so we're in the Jamaican section now, the rice section. And we have the parboiled rice down there. I'll go for the rice. So $2.88 for the parboil. Ibera 5-pound rice. That's what, man. Let me come now, so. Cause you have to check in a piece. You have to check where you get more value for your money. So the Great Valley rice. Let me see, peeps. This is a Great Valley. So a Great Valley 5 pound. So this is jasmine rice. The rice here tastes good, you know. I haven't eaten jasmine rice in a long while. This rice I eat good. Jasmine rice. A lot of people, a lot of Jamaican love jasmine rice. Also me I like brown rice. So the rice brown, huh? Not brown like this, like wild rice, but more like parboiled. So I think these cook good. So I want to work with the Ibera. Instead, let me see how much minutes I'm going. Oh, it's 9 minutes. I work with the Ibera. Yeah. Let me look for something and come back. So come. Alright guys, so I finished now. Going to the checkout line. It's a lot of stuff. I think I get more stuff than I bargained for or planned for. So as you can see, all of the veggies and stuff is at the top right there. Everything else is at the bottom. It's a whole trolley load. So this is how I normally shop. Let me check for knives. Oh, sorry. Don't need knives. Don't have any knives in the house. So I need to get like a sharp knife. Because yeah.
4.5. 199 lang. Wala na nga kasi sa sa online. Wala na sa Target.
And stuff like that. So need to use a really nice like flat knife. I'm gonna just get a what's that knife shop now, utility knife. It's a flat edge. So yeah, need a knife. Good knife, because the one that we have, I don't know where it went. But yeah. So catch you guys soon. Super checkout and stuff like that. Super. Alright guys. So I'm done now. Everything came out to like $196. So yeah, that's a whole lot of money. I never know I would shoot over my $100 target. But the house is empty. Don't have any food. So I just buy what I get. Still don't get any tissue. Just imagine that. No tissue. But I get everything else though. So yeah. It's alright. Yeah. So I get everything else except for the tissue.
You have no tissue?
It's empty. So you guys don't like monitor like one pack per person.
Customer come, I don't know, so there's want to leave none for nobody. They're grabbing too.
Exactly, I'm like, it's selfish.
Why it's supposed to be so? Come on. Yeah. Some customers they cannot show up. They're not supposed to do that.
Yeah. Because
I don't know.
The last time I buy tissue was like 2-3 months ago. I buy tissue.
Since December and I still have.
Yeah, because I buy the big pack here. They leave the vitamins and buy tissue. It makes no sense to me.
Chocolate.
Exactly. Buy food and fruits and stuff.
Exactly.
Oh Lord. Alright. Enjoy it. Taxi, bro? No man, let's go. Yeah. So I can't get no tissue, so can't get no tissue, so that's the only thing I don't get on it. But we get everything else, bread, cornflakes, every single thing. So I'll call a taxi right now and then head home.
That's cool.
Yeah. So definitely I gotta do that and things. So catch you guys soon, alright? Yeah man. Alright guys, so we wait for a taxi. This is the Uber app. Wait for a taxi, them say them will try find me a driver. So literally trying to find, let's find a taxi to go home. There's a whole lot of stuff right there. So we'll just walk on. Or come pick me up and drop off and say that person at 12 minutes away. So nobody now pick up the drive. I just have to see who willing to pick up the drive. So yeah, you know what I'm going. Yeah guys. So what's in the store? Yeah, so me get a driver. Dip on him way. Not too far. Not too far. So get a driver. More come. Yeah. So I'll be going home soon. I just need to get some tissue now. I'm alright. Alright, so I'm gonna check out and everything. Soon come back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. My head kinda messy. Thanks for watching. I'm home now. I'm going to pack out the bag. I'll stuff them, pack out everything and just get everything ready, then edit this vlog and upload it. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. Hope you guys like this. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Keep safe from the coronavirus. Protect your family and friends. Wear your mask, wear your gloves, wear all those stuff, taking natural remedies and stuff like that. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. JVLOGS, I'm out.